So I just went and got that weighed. Want to take a guess at what it weighs?
Yeah. Ooh, that's really sweet. I would guess a little more than what I can. Probably about 1,200 pounds.
You're not too far off. It weighs. So welcome back everyone, Mike here. I'm sure some of you are wondering why I took my truck up to the CAT certified scales to get weighed. Well, I'll tell you. Myself and others are curious to know what one of these totes weigh, filled to the top with firewood. And it's a little too big to fit on the bathroom scale. So I took my truck up to the scales, got it weighed empty. I even filled it up right before I pulled on the scales. When I return with the tote in the back loaded with firewood, I'll fill the truck up again. And we'll get a really accurate weight on what one of these things weighs, loaded to the top with firewood. So the truck itself weighed in at 5,480 pounds. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to split some firewood, fill one of these totes up to the top, and then I'll load it in the back of my truck, strap it down, go back to the scales, get it weighed, and we'll know what one weighs for sure. And by the way, those CAT scales, there's a website, you'd have to look it up, but just look for CAT certified scales. There's several in this area, all within an hour. Some are closer than others, but I imagine they're all across the country. Because a lot of people have questions, how much does this trailer weigh with my tractor on it and all these attachments or whatever. And it's a good way to stay legal and to kind of figure out what everything is. So if you want to know that sort of thing, just look it up. And there's probably one relatively close to you. You'd have to check and see. But anyway, I'm going to get started here. I'll show you what wood I'm splitting and what we're going to do, and we'll go from there. Okay, so that wood on the other side of the splitter is what we're going to be using. That is the pile of firewood that I cut with the Steel MSA 200C battery-powered chainsaw. It should work out to be about 1/3 of a cord. I'm not positive. And that tote holds a little over 1/3 of a cord. So we should get just to about the top of it, and then I'll get some other wood to finish it off. So the first part of this video was from Friday evening, which was last night, and I didn't quite get finished up filling this tote behind me. I had to take daughter Eva and some of her friends to the football game, and then when I got back it was dark, which brings us to Saturday. So this morning Melissa and I got ready and we went to the Paul Bunyan show near Cambridge, Ohio, and we had a wonderful time. We met so many people that are viewers of this channel. It was really cool. I was blown away, and just really nice people, all like-minded. They're all just like us. We all do the same things and enjoy it. And we had a little meetup around 11:30, met a bunch of people there. Then throughout the day ran into other people, and we got to walk around and see all the different equipment on display and different demonstrations, and it was really interesting. I mean, everything from, you know, log splitters to chainsaws, firewood processors, forestry machines, big mower heads. I mean, anything you can think of, sawmills, all kind of stuff. It was really interesting, and I'll definitely be going back next year, probably for at least 2 days. Today we were just there the one day, and there's no way you could see everything that was there. But after all that and the long drive home, there's only one thing that I want to do, and that's split some firewood. So that's what I'm going to finish this up right now, and then maybe even this evening I'll run this up to the scales and get a weight, and we will know what this tote weighs. So I'm going to wrap this up here right now. Alright, it's early Sunday morning. I'm going to load this tote up and go get it weighed.
Thank you for choosing Pilot. First way or reweigh?
First way. Well,
Truck number?
No truck number. Actually, it's a reweigh. I was here the other night. Empty.
It would have to be within 24 hours for a reweigh.
Okay, first way then.
Alright, I have your weight. You can come inside for your ticket.
Thanks. All right, this tote measures on the inside 46 inches by 37 inches, and it's 4 feet high. Okay, so there's 47 cubic feet of firewood in this tote right now. Now that's a little over 1/3 of a cord, because 1/3 of a cord is about 42.5 cubic feet. Now keep in mind, this wood in here, it was all dead, but it's nowhere near dry. It still needs to season a lot. And there's a good mix of red oak and cherry in there. So after all those calculations, you know, it's a little over 1/3 of a cord. Now I'm going to show you what it weighs. Okay, I'm not sure if you can see this. When I took the truck up empty, it weighed in at 5,480 pounds. When I went back up with all this firewood in the back, it weighed 7,140 pounds. So this tote right here, loaded with firewood, weighs 1,660 pounds. A little bit heavier than what I thought it would be. So there were a lot of questions and a lot of guesses on what this weighed, and people were wondering, you know, if they could lift it with their subcompact. No way, ain't happening. Sherman lifts a lot. Sherman couldn't touch this. I don't think there's a subcompact tractor on planet Earth that could lift this. If there is, maybe you'll surprise me. All right, so there you have it. 1,660 pounds is what that weighs. What I should do, but one of you are going to have to remind me to do this, is say like 1 year from now, take that same tote with the same firewood back up and weigh it again and see how much weight it loses, you know, after 1 year's worth of drying time, because it'll lose a lot of water weight in a year's time. Something else I'd kind of like to do is maybe fill one of these up with green red oak and see what it weighs. I'm thinking it's going to be close to 2,000 pounds, but we'll find out here in the next month or so. This wood right here, it was dead, but by no means was it dry. It had a long way to go before it would be completely dry. That red oak probably died about 6 months ago, but standing like that, not split or stacked, it just doesn't dry. But anyway, I think that's it. That answered that question. This weighs 1,660 pounds. If you enjoy these videos, please hit the like button, click subscribe, and share them with your friends. Thanks.